This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and preparing the core components: the transmitter, the microphone capsule, and the receiver. First, charge both units fully and confirm battery indicators show green. This prevents dropouts during pairing. Once done, attach the lav or capsule and position foam windscreen to reduce plosives. Now place the receiver within 30 feet line of sight of the transmitter and keep it away from metal cases and Wi-Fi routers, because radio interference can ruin signal strength and reliability. You now perform the frequency sync and set audio levels so the system behaves predictably. Begin with an IR or menu-based sync. Make sure the channel ID on both units matches exactly, since mismatched channels will not pass audio. Then set receiver gain to unity as a baseline. Next, speak at performance level and adjust the transmitter mic gain to avoid red clips while keeping noise low. If your Shure supports antenna diversity or automatic scanning, use it to find the cleanest frequency, because that reduces dropouts in crowded RF environments. You finish by verifying audio quality and performing a moving range test to expose issues. Plug headphones into the receiver and listen for tone or speech, then walk the intended performance area while watching signal LEDs. If you hear static or dropouts, immediately try relocating the receiver higher, change to a less congested channel, or rotate antennas to improve line of sight. If problems persist, power cycle both units and resync, and only then consider hardware failure and contacting support, because many issues are configuration or placement related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.